cumin watermelon milk smoothie or cumin watermelon milkshake. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the watermelon recipes and one of the most unique of the cumin seed recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the healthy smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the milkshake recipes. One of the most unique of the watermelon milkshake recipes. Today we're going to make cumin watermelon milk smoothie. We've taken around 150 to 200 grams of watermelon cut into pieces, around 50 grams of sugar, 2 spoons of cumin seeds. Put in the watermelon. Put in the sugar and the cumin seeds. Close and grind well. Put in 250 ml of milk. Close and blend well. Now open. Now the cumin watermelon milk smoothie is ready and can be poured into the glasses. Pour it into the glass. Final cumin watermelon milk smoothie or cumin watermelon milkshake. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the watermelon recipes and one of the most unique of the cumin seed recipes and one of the most delicious of the smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the milkshake recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.